Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get different shields in Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first of all, open up your Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and make sure the app is updated to its latest version. After opening the app, you will be redirected to the main homepage of the app. There are two ways you can use to get different shields. The first one is by planning these offers that appears at the homepage. These offers sometimes reward shields, but it's not necessary. The other way you can get them is by completing daily treats. Just complete daily offers and missions to get different shields. Note that this is not necessary, you get the shield through these, but it's the only way. So this is basically how you can get different shields in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be with you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.